Hey guys, so for today's video, I wanted to share with you my secret to having fuller lips. So when I want to exfoliate my lips and have them be a little more plump, I use red cayenne pepper. This is from Trader Joe's, and you might be looking at me like I'm crazy because you're like, girl, you season this with fried chicken, what you doing? But like, you can put them on your lips. And the great thing is it's rich in vitamin E, and the plumping effect that occurs from it is because it stimulates blood flow to your lips. I mix it in with some salt. I reuse my little plastic cups because, you know, reduce, reuse, recycle. But anyways, I put it in a little container. I put some cayenne pepper in and some salt, or like fine grained salt or sugar. And I also use pumpkin seed oil. Now, pumpkin seed oil is great because it moisturizes your lips.
Sensational.
So basically what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put a couple drops of pumpkin seed oil, or just like a whole pump, it really doesn't matter. And then I'm going to sprinkle some red cayenne pepper and salt on here. Mix it in. Need a little more oil actually, so I'm gonna put another drop. Yeah, that's perfect. And then I'm gonna rub it on my lips. So I like to apply it. Oh, it's getting in my mouth. Oops.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Some of it got in my mouth. It's a little spicy, it's okay. So after I exfoliate, I'm gonna leave it on for like a minute or two. Honestly, it's whenever you start feeling the tingling sensation. So it really depends on you. Everyone's different. Like, can you handle your spice or can you not? I can, so I'm gonna leave it on for like 2 or 3 minutes.
A few minutes later.
I just washed the scrub off. This is how my lips look. Pardon me, I'm gonna like just get close to the camera. So if you do have thin lips, I would suggest you do this scrub every 3 days. And if you have thick lips like I do that are already plump, but you're just looking for something to exfoliate your lips every now and then, do it once a week. Just like as a warning sign, after you take off the scrub, it still kind of feels, your lips kind of feel spicy. So if you want to tame that sensation, then eat yogurt or literally put yogurt on your lips, because that will like calm the spiciness down. And it also conditions your lips, so it's like a 2-in-1 deal. With that being said, that's my video, you guys. Hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comments, critiques, concerns, comment in the section below this video.